Subscribe to my channel.
Okay guys, welcome to Codewithtec. Today we will be looking at CSS Flex Item. Okay, so guys, without further ado, in looking at CSS Flex Item, we are talking about the direct child element of a flex continuum that automatically becomes a flex element. Okay, now those are the items of CSS Flex. So here we just put each one. In here we say CSS items. All right, and come on here, we create our div here. The div we'll create here is we want to work with that div, showing some things about that div. Okay, say div dot, should we make it as a flex container? Yes, flex in the flex container. We want to have some other div as well. All right, we want to have some other div. We want to have div. In this div here, we want to have another div as well. We'll use 3 div for now. Okay, we'll use 3 for now. In the first area, we want to have a star. There's an inline styling. All right, flex grow, we say 1. All right, and then the next one we want to see star here again. Now before I use this, let me show you how our work looks like first. All right, before we can use this, let me show you how our work looks like. Okay, so for here we have 1 2 3. Okay, after saving it, I just want to show you how our entire work looks like. All right, good. To show you how the work looks like, we're going to open it up into the browser. Good. Now we see CSS Flex Items, right? We're having 1 2 3. Good. The next thing we want to do, we want to assign or inline starting in a flex property called flex group. All right, we say flex, we say star flex that grow 1. All right, and close this. All right, now after using this, we want to copy this, come down to the next place. Before we copy it, star again, we say flex grow 2. All right, and the next thing we want to use this as 1 2, and come here and say that star flex grow, this should be it. All right, and save it. Now we want to try something, all right, and see how this is going to be like. Now after using this, if we save it and then I come back here to the browser, refresh it, now this is what we have here. All right, we're not seeing anything happening for now, so we want to come into our star and see if we can perfect it. All right, to make it happen. All right, into our star now, we'll include this star quickly, and in here we'll say the flex container, and in the flex container we'll say display flex. All right, good. After asking it to display flex, the next thing we want to do, we want to ask it to align item, right, strike, right, align item strike. We need a background color, save this. The next area we want to move to will be our flex container greater than diving into all of the elements that are within it. We see our background color. Our background color should be this. We come down, we say color should be white. We come down, we say margin. The margin should be somewhere around 10 pixels. After that, we say line height. Line height should be 75 pixels. We say font size. Font size should be 30 pixels. After that, we say, so far so good. We'll keep this, alright, and keep this for now. If I save this and come over to our browser and refresh our browser, boom, this is what we have. Alright, the next thing we need to do is to align our text center. Alright, we need to align our text center. After aligning our text center, we save it, refresh. Now this is what we have. Alright, we can work personally with each of the properties. Alright, we can work personally with them. There are so many ways we can do it. Just now with your inline styling, if we can take away the inline styling and use another method. Alright, let's try another method to this. Want to get rid of this. We also want to get rid of this. Get rid of this. And also want to get rid of this. Good. We save it. Now, if I come here and refresh this place, you see everything is like this because we haven't give our flex growth anything. Alright. So now let's work out something here. In here. If we start this place, if we come here and say flex, okay, and then here we say flex growth should be 4. Alright, we save it. We come out to our browser, refresh it. Now you see here, right? So we have 4, 4, 4. Alright, we have 4, 4, 8 plus 4 is 12. Alright, we have 12 here currently. Now, so each of these carrying 4, each of these carrying 4, each of these carrying 4, that means we have 12. Now that is another way we can do it. Now let's try another way that we can do this. Now I want to get this out of here and give them a class. Alright, class should be okay 1, class here should be 2, and class here 3. Okay, now if we come here into this place and say class 1 dot 1 dot 1 in dot 1 here, so we can call this first flex container. Good. In dot 1 we can have flex dash go should be 1. Alright, and then in dot flex container dot 2 we say our flex growth should be 2. Okay, we come down once more, we say dot flex container dot 3. We say we want our flex row to be 9. We save this. Now if we come back to our browser, we refresh it. Now you see what happened here. Alright, now this is 1, this is 2, this is 9. Alright, now let's get back to it. Here we have flex row 1, here we have flex row 2. Okay, and here TWO. Good. Now if we refresh this, now seeing the magic, we are able to at least see this thing. So I just perform the action 3 different ways. All right, I perform the action 3 different ways. We perform it with inline styling, we perform it using a class, and we perform it using while using the entire container holistically. All right, now so guys, thank you very much for sticking around. I hope that you learned something from this video and understanding flex items. All right, I hope that we learned something from the video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys in the next video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel.